Hi, today I'll show you how to connect Claude to your SimplyBook.me account using our new MCP connector feature. Once it's connected, you can manage your booking system just by chatting. Let's get started. Firstly, we log into our SimplyBook.me admin panel, go to Custom Features tab, and search for MCP connector feature. Then we need to enable it, and we go to Admin AI Assistant tab and copy connector URL. Also, here you can see AI Assistant instructions, and we strongly suggest to download them. Then we go to Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, and we add Custom Connector. We insert the URL and we give it a name. Click on Add, and we proceed with connection. Then we need to allow access. Quick note, it's completely safe. The assistant can only do what you can do. It inherits your permissions from the admin panel and nothing connects without you personally allowing it. Once approved, we are connected. Here you can see the uploaded skill. I'll ask Claude to use it. And also we can check if connector is enabled. Firstly, I'll ask Claude to show me tomorrow's bookings. And just like that, Claude gives the information straight from the account. Let's ask it to create a booking. Book chain for action call. Friday at 2:30 we skipped. Done. Perfect. Let's check it in the calendar. And we check tomorrow's date. The slot is successfully booked. That's the Claude connection in a nutshell. Safe and fully under your control. And that's just the beginning. If your Claude is also connected to Gmail or Notion, it can combine them with SimplyBook.me, pulling client data, drafting follow-up emails, or logging tasks, all from one chat. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. We think you will like what it can do. And if you need a hand, our live support is always there for you.
If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.